Making our customers happy is our number one priority, so when one of them writes us an awesome 5-star review, well, we love to share it. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming to prove it. We want to earn your business the best way we know how by providing you with the best customer service possible. Come and see what we can do for you today. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing customer service.